Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Looking at gold this morning. Got that little wick down there last night. I see no reason for gold to continue higher right now. Not fundamentally, not technically. There's just kind of, I mean, like the only thing would be dollar weakness. But at the moment, the dollar needs to pull back to the upside. So, you know what I'm saying? Just for some more sell off. So, like, I like dollar weakness. I do like dollar weakness. But this week, at least right now, the short term, you can see a pullback to some of this area here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. So yeah, we still need at least another push, at least a small push higher on dollar, and that'll give us likely the rest of this gold sell. Fill in this area here, and we may see a buying opportunity here. I might take the buying opportunity here at this 3240 level. Like this level is kind of glaring at me. I ain't gonna lie, it's glaring. Like, do you really want to trade up there? Or do you want to come trade down here? It's definitely glaring, but I'll see if there's any more easing for the dollar or geopolitical tensions. The more geopolitical tensions ease, the more we're gonna see this correct to the downside. We've had, let me show you this crazy run up that we've had on gold. And I have this zone down here that this is where I want to take big buys in, like big buys, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not hoping anything is bad going on when price is here, but it would be advantageous for me as a trader if there's some type of negativity in the on the geopolitical stage once price gets down here. Otherwise, it's not, you know what I'm saying? Doesn't make, I'm not gonna say it doesn't make sense as a buy, but it's not as strong of a buy if not. What up, nerd? I owe you $100. What I owe you $100 for? What do I owe you $100 for? I ain't lose a bet. Ain't no way I lost a bet. Did I lose a bet? Hmm? What did he say? That was the title. That was the title of what? Oh, I can show it on the screen. Oh, that's hard. I didn't even know I could do that. Ah. Oh yeah, nah. I need everybody to start spamming the comments. I could put the comments up on the screen now. Oh yeah. Nah, real streamer activity going on. What? My stream said it. Hey, this some new software. I don't know what the stream's saying. I don't know why the stream telling you I owe you $100. Hold on. Cause what? Check my live. Check my dinner record, son. I might take the buying opportunity here. Hey, that's fun. That's fun. If my stream notification is sending out to make niggas wanna think they got $100 on the way, then I ain't going. I'm not mad at it. What you been on though, nerd? I thought you was gonna come around to fooling around with this investing stuff eventually, but you never really. You was like, nah, not fucking with that shit. Oh, word? Well, I mean, shoot, you at least tapped in. Shit. Doing better than most. Type. I feel you. It'd be like that. It really been the past couple of months. Just got out. Like, out. Out of the hospital? Out of jail? Hey, yo, that's tough, bruh. Nah, it'd be like that. It'd be like that when you look like us, dog. Dang. How long was you in there for? They had my boy locked up on some R. Kelly. Messed up. And it's crazy because, like, chat, they're the most, like, I wouldn't say harmless streamer I know, but, like, he's like a kind dude. You feel me? So it sounds like crazy hearing that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, I'd like to take this euro buy once it pulls back. It pulls back, that'll be DXY going for that pullback we were just discussing with that little gap it has. Boom, trigger pull. If it doesn't work out, boom, trigger pull. You dig what I'm saying? So we probably leave this up for the week, or at least till it smack schmizzle. You know what I'm saying? Till it smack schmizzle. Low risk entry, real small entry. Extra high risk to reward on this one. And then, you know, we love cheese, so we always have another entry just in case. So, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, chat? Just in case. So, love to get in on a break of this low here. That's what that is. It's a break of that low, entering this little consolidation here. Now this wick here is interesting. I ain't gonna lie. If I get in this entry, I'm gonna need to give it that room because that wick is so interesting. You know, Price did it once, it could do it again. But our risk to reward is still on the great end. Alright, so we may get like a bounce off of here, then it goes push, put a stop loss in profit, gets stopped out, comes back, trickles down, touches this entry, and then we're in for the full on move. Something like that. I like it to just continue off of on this move, but that's gonna depend. Sorry, excuse me. That's gonna depend mostly on if the dollar stops at the first gap or goes towards the second one. Let me show you. So first gap, second. First gap, second. All right. First entry, second. You see how they go? Real inverse, real simple, like, you know what I'm saying? If you're trading Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, and you're not using the dollar as a guide, you know, along with, like, you know, other things, then I don't know what you're doing. It's, you know, it might be why you're not winning as much as you should be, because you're a winner. You're a winner. You just gotta learn how to do it. That's all it is. That's all it is. They actually did a study that showed that people that win more often. So, like, that's why winning streaks exist, and that's why losing streaks exist. When you, like, your brain gets, like, low key rewired in those specific small moments for a specific, you know, period of time. You know, that keeps you in that frame of winning. So it's actually it's really cool how winning begets winning and losing begets losing. So that should tell you if you've taken a bunch of L's for the day, sit the markets out. You wanna know why? Because you chasing the markets, you're not gonna get it back. You're gonna keep losing. You're addicted to losing now. I mean, that's how that works. Now, if you're taking a bunch of wins in the markets, I still recommend you chill out, because then, you know, over trading and greed becomes on the table for taking you up out of the markets. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you go on a winning streak, take it. You go on a losing streak, take it. Get out the markets. All right. The goal is to do less work while we're trading, not more work while we're trading. So we want to get good entries in, good quality trades in, so we don't have to up the quantity to reach our financial goals. You know what I'm saying? I'll keep reiterating that probably every 2 days, just drilling that into every single one of y'all that are around me in the atmosphere. Subscribe to the channel. Soon to be members of the channel. We're gonna be able to actually have members on the channel pretty soon. I realized that we hit the 500 subscribers threshold, but we have to hit the 3,000 hours watch time threshold too. So we're just hovering around 2,000 right now. So that's part of also why I started going live every single day, so we can, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I try to go every single day, but Monday, Wednesday, Friday is my, like, hard line. I have to get that in. So we can kind of get towards those watch hour goals pretty soon, you know, quicker. Start bringing members on the channel so we can have membership perks and whatnot. I'm thinking once we do switch over to being able to have members, we'll do like 2 to 3, maybe 2 live sessions, most likely 2 live sessions a week for the general population, and then 3 to 5 live sessions a week for the members. You dig what I'm saying? And then anybody on the funded team, I'm gonna figure out how to make you guys members without you guys having to pay, because you're already, like, you guys are already VIP. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to, you know, make another paywall or nothing like that for y'all. So everybody on the funded team, don't worry too much about that. I'm going to figure out how to get you guys members. And if not, if we can't get you members on the channel for free, that's perfectly fine. We'll just have a Zoom session up, you know, for the same, you know what I'm saying? We can condense it. We can always bring the members wherever we're at. So you know, that's not too much of a worry or anything like that. But let's look at some more GBP CAD. Oops. Is that the wrong one? Is that the wrong one? Yeah. Come on. Give me my entry. Give me my entry. I want it. Now, granted, it could be trying to bounce off of this. There's a slight chance, and like this happens a lot. Sometimes, you mark an entry and you mark the bottom of the consolidation, but it wants to bounce off the top of it, or you mark the top of the consolidation, but it wants to go bounce off the bottom of it. So I'm watching this here, because if we close above this here, let me make it a little bit bigger. We close above here, I'm getting in there. You feel me? I'm getting in there. Like this right here. Like we need to go ahead and close outside of this box here. And let me show you my logic. So we got a bounce there, right? So it shows me that there's traders trading right here. I need these traders to get stopped out. You know what I mean? I need these buyers to get stopped out right here. And the bears that helped out right here to come help out again. You know what I'm saying? And then we can get hopefully a break of this low and a push down to oops, I accidentally popped something random on my screen. A push down to this level here. That's what I'd love. That's what I'd like. I may not get it, but I'd love it. I got a pending order right here, chilling. I think GBP looks just as good. Oh, we're back at entry for real on this. We're back at entry on the second entry. Yeah, back at entry on the big entry. Doodad. Got that little arch that matches down there. So we're not seeing any excess change in momentum for real or nothing like that. If you're wondering exactly how I'm reading the chart and how I'm making sense of all this, we do teach folks how to understand all this and how to trade and move through these markets. We do have a free playlist. It's called How to Trade Forex Like a Pro, or How to Day Trade Like a Pro in 2025. That's free. It's on the channel. But if you want the in-depth, super duper hands-on, like really getting all the way down to the nitty-gritty, specifically designed to fast track your learning, we do have a course designed for that. We are going to be doing a 30% off deal for that coming up pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be after the 4th of July, after we finish, because we're in the middle of a deal right now. Because you can get the bot for 40% off. Let me say that again. You can get the bot. Hold on. Because let me just make sure you understand. Let me just make sure you understand. Let me go down to the 1 minute. Turn me up. And look, I don't know what my bot been doing today. Look, I just turned it on, and we can see everything it's been doing today. So I couldn't like pre-prepare no amazing numbers or nothing like that. Like I could just like show you live, like this is what it does. You know what I'm saying? So, as I was saying, you could get the bot for a measly $4.97 right now, and then after the 4th of July, once we do the full launch, it'll be $9.97. It's $997 after launch. Now, like I said, this is, sounds like a steep price. I know, right? But when you have a money printer, I don't think that matters all that much. You know what I'm saying? Just today alone, we got a 69% win rate, about $118 in winnings, as you can see, and y'all can see right there trading on my Accountamundo. So let me. It looks a little while doing the video, and having the screen more condensed. It definitely looks a little jumbled, but the numbers speak for themselves. You know what I'm saying? I encourage folks, if you're watching the replay, hit the links in the description. Get tapped in. Stay tapped in somehow. If you're not gonna buy nothing, that's fine. That's cool. Stay tapped in somehow, because it's just a whole bunch of winning going over here. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like advantageous to be around a bunch of winners. You know what I'm saying? It's like half the time I call trades, I'm calling them from my bot. My bot took a trade. I'm like, oh, let me go ahead and call it out. But not this bot. I don't call trades off this bot. I call trades on my, like, I have a personal bot that I'm not releasing to the universe, outside of, it's gonna sound crazy, institutions, because you have to pay me about $1.5 million to get access to this bot, essentially making it inaccessible for everybody. Just because that's just an extra level of dedication that I put into this, you know what I mean? To keep myself perfect. So that's like my extra me, my little mini me, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling, watching the things that I have it watching. But it trades a whole lot less often than Harmony does. Harmonious is the name of that. I was actually gonna release Harmonious, and then I ended up switching things around, building a whole nother bot, and Harmony is what we're releasing. So or what we released is actually out now. You can purchase it. You can actually just go straight to our website, right? But don't do it now, actually, because right now it's set up for after the promo ends. So right now, just go ahead and DM any of our media pages anywhere before the 4th of July, and you'll be able to get that 40% off deal. Right now, if you go to our website and you click on where you buy the bot on our website, it'll take you to the $9.97 price. So just for right now, just leave that alone. If you guys want to get access, just go ahead and hit us up. We have all of our platforms are open for DMing. We just have to go check it and see it. So admin team, super fast, super reliable, 24/7 support. There's actually a chat meant solely for people that get the bot, so you can get updates on it. It's a free chat. Even if you don't get the bot, you could join the chat. But I guess it's kind of hard to do that, because like the link, like, it's an open chat, but the link gets sent out when you buy the bot. You know what I mean? So we don't just have the bot support chat link just sitting anywhere. It's just kind of pointless. We have the free community chat everywhere, so you can go join that. And I'm sure I'm probably gonna drop the bot support chat in the free chat at some point. Just in case, because not everybody reads everything, not everybody joins everything, but I encourage anybody that does purchase the bot to be in the bot support chat, so you're updated 100% on any new updates or anything on the bot. Granted, we're trying to make it as hands off as possible for everybody. So like, all you really have to do. So there's two ways to set it up. There's TradingView Essentials, and then there's TradingView Plus, Pro, and above. All right. Now, lower tier is like $16 a month. The higher tier is like $30 a month. The higher tier is what will allow you to set the bot up a little bit easier. So it gives your TradingView account the ability to directly execute trades on your broker Oanda connected to it when you have the strategy running. Right, so you can it'll give you the option to press a little button when setting up the alert. Like right now, if I were to go set up the alert, it doesn't have it here, but That's because I'm about to upgrade this account. I didn't know. I actually just found this out like yesterday. So after I get off live, because I just woke up not long ago. After I get off live, I'm gonna upgrade this account. I'm gonna set that up because the way I have it set up right now is with the Essentials version, where we have the webhook, where you go on Pipe Dream. We have the whole document having the step by step for you. We go on Pipe Dream. You set up the webhook on Pipe Dream. We have the code for you to just paste in there. All you have to do is put your ON.API key and account ID in there. And we have it labeled so you know where to fill it in at. And then you run it and you let it go crazy. Now that's of course a little bit more hands-on-y. That's why I've been kind of locked in the past couple of days trying to make it more hands-off. I just didn't know that TradingView offered that ability with the higher tier. But if you're gonna buy a $500 or $1,000 bot, I'm sure you got 33 extra bucks to upgrade it so you can do a little less work, right? Right. So, that's the stitch on that right now. I know there's a couple people hitting me up for the setup update. Everything's in the it's in the chat. You got from that initial email that you get when you buy the bot. Join the chat. Join the chat. Join the chat. All right, because if I learn anything new or anything comes up or something breaks or something gets updated, I immediately go to the chat and update everybody. Everybody know, you know what I mean? Everybody can just be aware, and so there's no like confusion. Like, oh, is like my bot good? Is my bot trading? Like, you know what I mean? Because I want this to be seamless. So we can, everybody could just start making some more monions. Like, your boy figured out the monion printer. It don't get better than that. It don't get better than a monion printer. You know what I'm saying? So, sorry, Chuck. Let me go back to NASDAQ. Oh, oof. Boy, I tell you. Wait. It's the 3 minute. It don't win everything. It does not win everything, every single thing. Matter of fact, it actually has more often than not a less than 50% win rate, this bot. But the risk management is just so airtight, it doesn't matter. The risk management is so tight, it doesn't even matter. Open P&L right now on NASDAQ for the bot is negative $16. So the bot is in a buy right now, and is down $16. Overall on the day, we're up $41. I guess I could let y'all just watch NASDAQ for the culture for today. Right? Ain't that some Robin Hood right there? I'll let y'all watch my bot. For free 99. For free 99. It's easy. Do I want it to trade on the 3 minute, 5 minute, or 1 minute today? Think we're gonna let it sit on the 3 minute. So you gotta understand the strategy slightly changes on the different time frames because the inputs that it has, the logic that it has, it has to pertain to what it's looking at. So like when it's looking at the hourly, it's looking at something different than when it's looking at the 3 minute chart. You know what I'm saying? And that's why when we send out the bot, we also send out a list of pairs and the time frames that we recommend that they be traded on. Now, anything outside of that you do, that shit's on you. Excuse my language, chat. That's on you. But for 6 months, 8 months, about 8 months, everything that was like as far as the pairs and the time frames that are sent out specifically, those were back tested. You understand what I'm saying? So those were those, like, we know that those are gonna give you the results that we're advertising. You know what I'm saying? So anything beyond that, it's nothing to do with us. My bad. I just reminded myself there was another person I needed to send the recommended pairs and time frame to, but luckily they hadn't even opened the message where I sent the bot. Um, I'm probably gonna, yeah. I hit my little wake up mark. So we're gonna let this play out. I'm gonna put the performance up. Y'all can see the little open PNL down there, right? Yeah. Yeah, we can just let that rock out for like an hour or so. You know what I'm saying? It's chill. It's chill, bro. I am about to get out of here. Let y'all rock out. Do y'all trading and whatnot. I have all my entries are really, for the most part, set and forgotten about. You understand me? Set and forgotten about. I set and forget. You feel me? Trading is not stressful for me. And it's crazy that my bot here, while I had a area of interest to buy literally right below it, right? I foresee we're probably gonna get a pretty good push to the upside, or at least the bot able to close this in a wee bit of profit. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna get a little bit of music, for y'all going. I couldn't hear that. Man. Oh yeah, that's the one I actually like. Alright, yeah, we're gonna loop that one. We can loop that one. Alright, y'all. Out of here. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.